Today we will show you how to remove the grills on a Fusion Apollo speaker. For this video, we will be using a Fusion Apollo Series AP FL65 speaker, but the process is the same for all Apollo speakers and subwoofers. The speaker grills are held in place by 3 locking clips. Please take note of where the locking clips are located. Apply pressure on either side of the locking clip so the first portion of the grill releases from the speaker. Gently lift the grill away from the speaker once all of the clips have been released. Removing the speaker grill will give you easy access for cleaning both the grill and the front cone of your speaker. It also gives you access to your speaker's mounting screws. Do not use any harsh or solvent-based cleaners. Please use a soft cloth. Avoid any tools or brushes. Using such cleaners or tools may damage the product and void the warranty. Now it's time to replace your speaker grill. Line up the Fusion logo so the arrow is at the bottom of the speaker pointing straight up. Finally, gently apply downward pressure, working your way around the grill until all 3 clips lock into place. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.